Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Find My Mobile, allow this phone to be found on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on lost device protection. At the top here, to use Find My Mobile, tap on allow this phone to be found. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when you turn off this feature, you need to put in your account password. So put in the password and tap on OK to switch it off. Once it is turned off, you can tap on the toggle button again to switch it back on. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can choose to turn on or turn off, send last, location, or use offline finding. So locate your phone even if it's offline and help others find their devices. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.